Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one's about creating a new YouTube channel that is associated with your Google My Business account. So one of the keys to that is to go ahead and when you sign in here in the upper right, when you go to youtube.com, you'll click on sign in, and when you do, the sign in that you want to use, that email and password, is going to be the same one that you use for your Google My Business. That's important. So that Google associates your business account with your new YouTube channel. Okay, and once you get signed in, it's going to look something like this. And the key to getting around any of this is that in the top upper right hand corner, your icon will be there. And if you left click on that, it's going to bring this up. Now, you can come down here to the help, and this will walk you right through to it. Once you get in here, we can do something like create new channel. And when we do that, it's going to walk us through. Now, something you should know, just at the time there is create a personal channel. And of course, that's not what we want. Scroll on down past that and create a channel with a business name. Now, you can go ahead and click on your channel list. And when you click on this, there is a good chance that your own business will already be inside of your channel list, because you've logged in with the same account that Google uses for Google My Business. All right, I'm going to click on this, and I apologize because you're going to see some heavy blurring on this next screen because of accounts that already exist for us. Okay, so again, I apologize for the heavy blurring, but you're going to see something like this for being able to manage. Now, here you can see where you can create a new channel. If yours looks slightly different than this, you may be seeing a lot fewer things, but I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and now you'll see brand accounts. Now, you may see this if you are a manager of the Google My Business account and not necessarily the owner. So you want to be looking for these two things, and you'll be able to see your business hopefully in one of these two lists to be able to create the channel. Of course, you want to pick the one that's associated with your business. If we go back to our main YouTube login and we click on the icon again, we come down here to the help. This will walk you through nearly anything you need to do with that new channel. So if you want to add it or if you want to create a new one, it's all right here. All right. So I hope this helps in getting where that you can create a new channel that's associated with your business so that it's all synced up with Google My Business and your new YouTube channel. There are a lot of new things that you can do with this. And just to give you one real quick is come down here to the settings cog, and this will show you where you can create a new channel, see all your channels. You can also go with advanced settings for things like your uploads, defaults. All those are very helpful. That's where you'll put in your SEO keywords for your uploads. All right, I hope this helps in helping you to create a YouTube channel that is associated with your business. So Google connects all your SEO pieces and they're not segmented apart. It makes it much easier to get your videos onto the new front pages for your search keywords. You can check in the description below for more helpful hints and how to sign up and become a member over at BTFOOM.com. Thanks.